Imagimera President Sujata has filed public interest litigation (PIL) before the High Court of Manipur, seeking urgent judicial intervention to restore unrestricted civilian movement along national highways and public roads connecting Imphal Valley to hill districts. The petition filed by Sujata contends that since the violence of 3rd May 2023, creation of buffer zones by Central Security Forces has resulted in unconstitutional confinement of Meitei community within the valley. The PIL argues that what began as temporary security arrangement has evolved into a system of de facto borders preventing Meitei civilians from traveling beyond checkpoints at Pogok Chawaikai, Palil, Kaithalmanbi, Yangangpokpi and other locations. Despite repeated assurances from the Ministry of Home Affairs, the petitioner claims that free movement on National Highway 2, National Highway 37 and AH1 remains blocked, with local bodies and armed groups enforcing prohibitory restrictions and violations of Articles 14, 19, 21 and 301 of the Constitution. Sujata says continued blockade amounts to delegating sovereign functions to non-state actors and threatens unity and integrity of Manipur. The petition highlights contradictions between officials' claim and ground realities, particularly the MHA press release of 4 September 2025 announcing reopening of National Highway 2, which was immediately rejected by Kuki Zoo Council and Village Volunteers Coordinating Committee. It adds that discriminatory restrictions have caused severe hardships in trade, healthcare access, education and mobility, forcing residents to rely on expensive flights out of Imphal. The petitioner seeks directions to dismantle unlawful buffer zones, ensure free and equal access to all highways, enforce sue ground rules and constitute high-powered monitoring committee under the supervision of the High Court.